What's going on, y'all? All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and tap in. See what Spirit has for you. Y'all, I got tired of this card myself. I swear to God. And I've done like 2 or 3 readings already, and this damn reconciliation card keeps coming out. This summer, y'all go, I'm telling you, somebody is reconciling with somebody, or they're thinking about it, and they thinking about it heavy. All right. But somebody's taking their time to try to make this decision because they don't want to end up making the wrong decision and having egg on their face about it. Somebody feels like if they reconcile with a person, it will backfire on them. Because they're not sure if this person has changed, or, you know what I'm saying? But Spirit is saying there is unfinished business. Y'all, look here. When you reconcile with somebody, that does not necessarily mean you have to get back with that person. You have to be with that person. It could be something as simple as getting closure on a situation, okay? But you're going to feel like this until you actually finish this business that you have with this person. When I say finish this business, there could be a conversation that needs to be had. There could be some confessions that need to be made just to get some, things up off a person's chest. But there's something that is unfinished between y'all that needs to be put to rest. Whether it's the animosity between you or the tension, or if it's just y'all are getting back together. Something is causing y'all is drawing y'all back together every time. Okay, you may be away from this person for a couple weeks or a month or so, and you think you're done, and you get drawn right back in. Okay, bottom of the deck is dating. For some of you guys, you're not really thinking about reconciling because you're dating someone right now, or you're in the dating game, but you always seem to compare whoever your last person was with the person that you're with now. It never seems to fail. It could be the smallest comparison. It could be how this person dresses, how they speak, how they move. I'm telling you. Yeah. If y'all feeling a strong pull towards somebody, that's because you're on their mind intimately. Okay? I know it always ends up going back to sex or whatever, but whatever this is with this person, that was one of the, how can I put it? That was one of the things that you guys both, it's nothing wrong with having a strong sexual chemistry with someone. Okay, it don't mean you a hoe or they a hoe or you just love, it's not like that. And intimacy doesn't always have to be sex, okay? Intimacy could be just spending time with a person, cuddling with a person, just sharing your thoughts, sharing your wishes and your dreams. That's also intimacy. And this is something that you did with this person or this person did with you, okay? For some of you, though, you want to reconcile with this person, but you know this person is no good for you. But you want this person, okay? So in your head, you're like, well, what's wrong with me? It's nothing wrong with you. It could also be the pull from this person, okay? Give me more Spirit. If y'all block this person, they are definitely calling you from an unknown number, okay? They finding a way around your block. And for some of y'all, that turns y'all on, and y'all know it. If you block somebody and they finding a way around your block, you like, okay, wait a minute, maybe they really do, But in actuality, this person's kind of like cyber stalking you a little bit. They definitely keeping their eye on you, okay? This is a very, the card says secretive, but that's not what I'm getting. This person's very private, okay? But they are a very nosy individual. Yeah. This is an individual that you used to just cuddle up with. Maybe you guys always had a movie night or you had a movie date night. Okay. They're hiding how they really feel about you. This person may feel like you make more money than them. Also, you could be focused on your work at this time and not a reconciliation with anybody. This person is wondering where they fit in your life. Give me more. They feel like they don't fit into your life anymore. Yeah, we have Inferno, job loss. This one fell out, but it didn't flip. Yeah, we got envy. For some of y'all, this person could very much be jealous of you and where you are in your life right now. Especially if they snooping and watching you. They seeing some shit they don't want to see. Yeah, childish ass energy. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just being honest, being an adult, and telling you how they feel and what their feelings are, they rather just stalk instead of talk. And that makes no sense. Yeah, we got a no contact here. Y'all could definitely be in no contact with this person and have this person blocked. If y'all don't have this person blocked, y'all just not talking to them. And to me, that's worse. You know what I'm saying? Because when you block somebody, that gives off the notion that you actually care. But when you just stop talking to somebody, you care less. Like, I don't even care enough to block you, basically. Yeah, we got infatuation. You are on this person's mind, y'all. This person can't concentrate on nothing. Everything you do, they're enamored with, okay? You see how she looking at this dude? And he ain't doing nothing but holding a fork, getting ready to pick up a piece of pie. Baby, she enamored with that shit. She is in love. Oh, how he about to hold that fork. Oh my God. Yeah, we got controversy here. This person could be seeing things being posted on your page about you, or they're hearing something about you that they do not want to hear. Ooh, child. Y'all, they wanna end this conflict with you. Whatever it is y'all going through, whatever beef y'all got with each other, they tired of it. Bottom of the deck is 11-11. This could be a twin flame, does not have to be, okay? But this is definitely a situation where the tables have turned. Where in the beginning, you were giving them all your energy and love and attention. Now you've taken that shit back, focused it on yourself, and now here they come. Here they come. Yep, we got planning here. This person's planning to try to meet up with you or have a date with you. Okay. Some of you guys are trying new things, and you may be dating people that's not necessarily your type, but you're trying to get away from, look, well, I can say it. You try to get away from them red flags, baby. Okay. Bottom of the deck is mind games. Y'all just tired of the bullshit, and that's just fine. That is just fine. Because for a lot of you, that's all this person brings is drama and BS. Okay? They definitely miss you. Why do they... Okay. I was going to say, why do they miss the collective? And we got deuces here because you walked away. You're no longer interested in the shit that they do. Yeah. This person's used to drama. Didn't I tell you earlier they're used to... Yeah, they used to that. They feel like that's a normal part of a relationship, and it's really not. They don't know what PC is. They have absolutely no idea what peace is. Some of you guys turned your back on this person for good. Like, there's no reconciliation. There's no apologizing. Yeah. As soon as you did, they went and ran right back straight to their ex. Because why? Because they used to toxic motherfuckers. That just is what it is. Y'all, I'm going to end this. We going around in circles here. Because y'all already know what's about to pop off. I'm just here to keep y'all 10 steps ahead. Point blank and period. I'm not here to constantly repeat myself or harp on a situation like this for 30 or 40 minutes. Y'all, I done told you what the deal was in under 15 minutes. I'm trying to tell you, this person, they are, the tables have turned. It's no other way to say it. Where the energy you were giving them in the beginning, you've taken that away and you focused it on yourself or in your business or in your family, in your kids, and you've taken it away from them, but now they need that attention from you. You know what I'm saying? But as soon as they don't get that attention from you, they go running back to what they know best. Toxic people. So yeah, y'all. Get with your girl in the comments. Deuces.